How do I know for a fact, Secret Otter? Because I am married to the man that worked with the police. That's how I know.
Really?
I'm married to the man who saw him on the road.
I wouldn't want to excite all the people out there.
I'm married to the man who drove around with law enforcement for the week or two after, showing them location of wells in different areas that Summer could have been located.
And then you guys will all see who will be the ones standing here in their integrity.
I'm married to the man who recorded Dawn and Candace and Andy for the first few days after Summer went missing. That's how I know.
Rubbing elbows with him, and when he knows that he's freaking that he's tricking you.
I don't care if you believe me or not.